wobetimi ato fi ho na ade atetemi ana if you say oh e kwan da ho wobetimi ato wo no na media tetew anopa mi bisa o say sa no mo we nyina no wokotro bi fi na so kasa ye eye ana se enye if you ka say wo de eye me de betetewa eye se obeye ana se enye ebeya me fi wa ni bibia na de tu rent na kwatini ana so bebe no pepi no be no sebi wosisi wo me hwa ye fewie no afi no ho se ni fi na ye fefi no wotu na wodi amanipa foforo na wanya sika bebri ana so bebe no afi ko ho ye na si obetu wo fi no obesisi fi ni bewie be ma fi wura no wo se ni fi no sebi adumu ehwo no be ai fi no kramatum afi be no obetete na wo fi sha be yenu be yesia be yedu next say we want to see enwiye afi wo say after 1 year 2 years o pesika foforo afi no se matum afi obi to anasa no de dan no e de age abodin etimi bi sa o say sa no ma we nyina no wo kwa kote obi fi no ka say ye na me fantete wa wo be ye eye sa wo sa we ana say eye the dan ibe ni bibia na kote simple time enya fi na be dan ma nso bia eno ena no pay maybe south minu ye bedwenje oko ha obi fi yewe ye wo de me de best to eye so be ye ana so very eye ye to wo na pa na be ha wa tu ana enjimpo ye to ta so ha opa o ifira want to ta simple fi atuta ko pe be ha 2000 na tempreco chai say o be ha be ana o be yi sisi o be wi na fifi wo hu say o so two if you say o ka so de tetewa o be 3 years 5 years 6 years 7 years na enso ye afi wo hia sika afi munemu na abem na ye no twemanso etimi bi sa simple e yes o be sisi no watem ana say fasa nka sa ba bi ko pefoforo eno ena me bi sa ano pe me motivational me dey ma on say be determined to do something sinkete so be ye bibe abrabo no wonya sinkete so be ya obetimi aye I just want to think it is set obey. So far as we think it, you can do it well. Beka. So be determined in whatever that you want to do. Our dear Mukra would determine said, no worry. Many Ramun Quade, no worry, Ubitimi worry. I just said, Woka say, media, me come last saying, I made me free moon. We need to be crying, Bibika Krabaya, media men pet. Me ko for me to aso nanso senka wo determine ya enka sebio wo betimi aye ni yie betimi asese ni pebi ni pebu ahodo bebe suban bebe you can change people and make them yours enti dwen ho na ye determine so betimi aye let me try me ho me ba ye beto so stay with us. Sima na yadia na make sure say e determine say obey bibi efis wonya determine ko ade a obetimi aye na waye ni yi e wo bibie mu e na fofa mu kra no say we determine say okay we je me penasem o ye very good o timasemase utumefu nanso e bi osuba bi wo no ho mempe wonya determine no obetimi ane kakra na wasesa no
and chana the bofu again I was away okay me nya dia no bofu say na be bit me dia agrache okay open microphone some ka ora me ni microphone some say na be ya you bit me dia agrache ko fa ba me twitwa no so say na be ya you be moving on akoso bofu a onya bote kwa otimi ka say we no go no ho ntimi ane de me bo modi na matsent would leave now so can say oh maybe the super way to me you keep changing friends, you keep changing boyfriends, you keep moving from one place to the maybe our corners will leave the and to be day when you will be really penny be determined and change the person and move on. But we say nipa we misuni which ano kra one person obeje so aso mpe nipa aso ano so gulo ho enso no okay minim kwa me fan so okay mi pia me sheda de me fan atama so me ne nchiaro e do no abeye ready so be chama imagine we have so many ways of dealing with people so far as we determined to do we can do adwuma no be determined you can do what I say it cut across foundation nyankopon enka ho anya akoma sade wa say ubi determine na wayini efia jebuwa good morning to you and I birthday nyankopon you fatu na usha papa ni wakuma sadina enfama of course Babaku America no be Babaku good morning all to say your Facebook friends moshe na kupo shamu na Yvonne Odelo Tonobu amankwa bo Steve of course George Mame Efwedu munyina nyame usha mo Kingsley Accra good morning Kingsley how are you big brother I hope say saso na me bakuma siabonto so a me pim ewotano so nana ya micha woni abusebu nyina boase force no ma micha mo nyina mikro monzima fo micha mo nyina ado abo amatikobo number 1 number 2 kekamaziama eyobo anochi biza be mu abashi mpapa so azubo nyina ma no kumbiza be mu abashi bokota krade so amechichi konfo nyina my beloved my darling AJ 37 military hospital AJ good morning to you baby bless you for everything maybe my line is not to man or pay family okotna obifi na sebie son sebie nyado on totals every na wakatro obet me totals na media teto obet me atrepa pa na media teto obet me yewi onye bibi ofio na osiye me tu fie ho wo so po security ebi okra shen bi na kwa se oka isi pete mu na obi be wi akwa usuro ntoni fie wa beka mpache wo ma me tu wo fie ho na fatitime also bit me aye if you are person to one if you know if you come to see you fancy to afobe wie no na obemu say o calculate ya we say there 3 years 4 years 6 years now ontiti me o yesika o ho na shi o se mato dan mu o de ma 500 o se me dia ma 1000 ni ajaje yes obeye ana se pamotwa mu enya kopedi ope na chim na kodane manso no kola line so ma come on. Hello, good morning. Okay. Thank you know, over to me on phrase 0202 6684 61 0202 6684 61 Family na yelling come up and I no pay you family mobile lines no atum oko how obifi na sebio osisi ho yewe mame ebi kwa na yo no si yema no lemo edan na akwati na mu no you say e wa hojo ha MC afọ checking me you the money the lines the money and money feedback into be e wa ha MC afọ mo he money wow enti no kwati ni pani fee no be he no na on totals you be ojana bi enu ho o si ye no de betito so we am the betito we dey ceiling money if you be a maybe copy mu ceiling na titino no fie wa no na wa jini sika nyina afio kwati na fie no say if you na proper group so say if you wa e bi eni ai sika se e so wa ji sika dada wa ji sika wa ye sefechi afefe na be yi me pia bonten na fie we wa ye ceiling na proper egumi so no we senkenyo no na ye no sakosi okay wa ya ka wo ye wie no I'm asking you this morning. I have a call at 26 minutes after 6. Hello, good morning. What point me you so from back? Good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to say.
Nyakopado, me do for your hoye na onso
Oh, what Jack, let my come up for you and self.
Okay.
Now the block do party at the last minute, and I'm not more than the new minister can be going after.
Okay.
You can do one of the parts in the body. One in my
okay.
Let me talk about one to the community in American and including what you want to do. Money cannot show you that. Some now go ahead and the keep some of how they are. We get it. We keep and then want to be seen.
Namisha 27 minutes after 6 a.m. Yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Samdako's initiative, Samdako's TV. So we stream live and so they are say we'll be subscribe to your channel. You know what, like your page, you know what, comment now what share now for so and you be a share. Hi obifi na enu bi ho se ye na fatetemia wo be ye ana se wo be if you say baby na wo call good morning. Hello, good morning. Me ba cho ma o TV no enko from na enkasa. See no more enkasa na yente wonka o frame me me power show and sad and say your man pay e ya tinu TV no ko from say me be ya.
Hello, good morning.
Evangelist, now what is saying prophet?
Nyango format from minimum 5 months. No me pronounce well.
Prophet nyame kra men kakra yenti wa no pay.
But the me can say, yes you will you pa. It will be any pretty much papa will now my kitchen. The best thing is open the we are put now plan area. Where can you be fortunate? Said the boy, we make us start to class. Still hope to use in India. Whatever how I can be. You go to baby in a question. I am well. I'm sure.
So perfect, of course. And no, in the Pebia Aberia Senasa, Madame Biko How be Fisa, now or two few no war, ask her or two few war, a painty few. Why am I come? And you know, I mean, ask a few, Nenso, never say, and Yakono Bako cry, na Madame Fisi, your total CBBA, hello, hello, Castor and Nacho. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, over there.
Eh, now how to say Asante? Stay, Madame, we are afraid of people.
It's my name, and then how to hire, if I'm manufacturing.
We shall be brave. Fantastic. Very, very fantastic points. When you will be a walk with him, what's an office on par? Look, now call baby. What I say, Madam Fisi, if you out to rope paint, if you're in the shake, come. Almost share ya, or room fish, I be in Sia, a room more debated. I feel so and so. And a boo, and find yes, and if you know what's name over 10 years, we'll see if you want Cassa. You're correct, if you want more, most of my son, and to some more, and they did do more, and think about your money. A day. Some baby. Muni ya baby enti nka bere mode modi se bi bere mode obi betina mu fia ase nipa no oni baby da ase nipa no kura no wo just wo no de sebi wo fi sebi bola so e na aba ade na ya na ye sa enso mu jiska ni mu fie wa bia obi be hai ni dan a o ka kire ne se e dan na me dia cho me papa bi pe e na me so no sika nipa o setinam tinem na fa pipi nti utimu a o se me dawe asiri nyina me dia ma ankrofo me dia yado enonko mako so obia betino bi fia efie wa fo mu jiska na so nipa no betina fi wa na ase ne huye mosi aso sisi wa ase ne huye mosi ase na mo penatu no na mo pem container kra nkofo kwaje kra ha stores kra ukwaje nipa no store sisi mu ye ne kama pe afedio na wo hise no ane dia me fa ma ha ibim na me nkofo bi wa abrochi na me ma bi wa abrochi na wo mo ba na wo ma no mo ahu eye tantanta ni ye hu ope watu a obefa kwan bia so eno na no pe me bi sa ose me senti no uko ha obi fi a eye so be ye bribi wo ho obesiesi ana se maninya na de enwie ene 2 years or 3 years wakotenam 2 years na he na wo mpa wa pack tools na akọ baby se se dem ka madam fi di acho se se ye pe madam fo no omo pe kwan bia so afiri ye se be increase rent no enti ye tabri rent setie ni ene ye de to no so se ne ye be ya ontimi ntua ena wakọ aden nyame som no enu nie edukwesi ada na ye ho pre kosha kwa ho edukwesi am timi hwankrofo se na omo pre so omo kwa so me so omo sam se nyame madoso omo ni abrepa o obi kura ne bible na wafa no ho be kwa bra na wafa ne bible ne kura no na wa hye no ho ahye wa bo ne jumper en fe se wo kwa sorry usuban tese en na otete nkrofo ofi ma me papa no pem bisa wo minim se fi rafo bebira so omo ano mu buafo mi pa ofi na so no kra na me ka kire wo no kra na make at on if you are for be adwame anopai for say there na wabetna TV no so ka no but I'm telling you why do we do this to tenants why nipa na tena fie okro high dan be 500 no or tumu a osemedi baji 800 osemedi baji 1000 osemedi 600 600 ka be fa ne sa so nipa na high dan 500 Ghana cedi esisi fie wo nyina to 1000 atu fie no wo penti amampa edimu te saso kwadan akasa ne de wo nyina ye pe na nso ne ho ye mosi mo penetru mo tabri rent ni bi ato so setie ni ye beje 2000 ye beje 1005 ye beje 3000 aden ena mo yesa minyi space na mo hwemani ase ana aden fi rafo ebi mo aden na mo yesa ukotena bi nso fi a ofa wo seba ojejo so no aka wa aka ne ma ho nti se fi rafo no nyi o munyi ni che because there be ankrofo hira o if you ra o hemi anope usuban te say e ma bu mfumi o usuban te say o ma betu kwa kwetena baabi o se se de meja mpapa du ni fi e wo obo ase abetena kuma ase ame ha obi dan mpapa fi kakraka na meja ho ya ma be ha dan ya jimiska yo so ho enti anu nkyerɛ sɛ obi firi baabi be ha o dan a woni baabi ti me de aso ha o frɛ me a me pick you 0202 668461 enkrofo bre enkrofo si apene enkrofo ahai o kasa hello good morning me do o ho te sen
Loko
wadaroma odini baby a frɛ me fi majo so yanko okay I think say on some comments no tenants so be nye tenant bi okot no bi fi ade obe ya kire no fenyam say wo see you too what you say obi kotina obi fi minim tenant bi okotina obi ko high obi fi pa de bia no di fi ranata de bia na odi fi ran ontu obetu enonko hello good morning hello good morning me don pacho di ni baby a friend me free
Macho mi free ni je fẹ́ ko fún me so free e blast from one year dey finish na blast
all right yenti o masa ko fún me no yenti o no pay ye yenti o mo anonko hello
macho mi na ni se asuma wo kan no kwa shampa na wo kan akwa dan bi wo abula so na ekọ ye no
Mama no ko etie o masa me
e ko ha da bi o mo ahia glass na edan ne ko ha ye mama emu ni na tais ko ni dan
great
tais ko ni dan ya to tais bibia yo dan ne ko na o de ma ye 3000 ana ya to ya ni mu tais ni na wi ewi bibia ni standard be 9200 afi ye dan no ka tre se ye bi o de beka ye ka no na ye nemu na suan ansa no se yo ni aspect afi de ye wie ya afi de hu sa ye kama no ko ba ya wo se wo beto ben ana fi ye ntia pe ana ke de on pi si kama ye na eja ye su ntinfiri afi de won tia de wo se wo ko ni kurum asa ba na afi woni abetana afi wo ko ba ni afi yan kan wasama afiri won tin kan rebi afiri wodi akuja obi se janet ya dia ise yin nyina ayeko abam kotna we control na wodi ne dai na so yen ti ase kan ne ti ja ha den kan ko ya de mai
no
anu ni di po an
munifo kra enti monko aban mu mpanifo ho enti monko look at this so ebi ani o wasiesie dan ne mu awie no aye kama no nim se enka wo be high dan bia makọ high dan ya me 500 a month ti me che bia 120 eni ade ama na wie no me ko ye dan bia me ka se ye ntumu tiles ceiling atete ensu ota na egu me so ho basa ebia me che mabobo net ne ade nyina wo ho afi no wo se fiewura no wo de wo ye nyina me de be kan rent ho na me de atetew ohun so 2 years no so ya fe ye betete no ma e bia waye wo ho no wo se mato dan ni bebre sa no moye so na moye sa enye ade na moye sa enti wo fiewura wo pa na edidi wa tinka be wode wo ba bia nka be wode enti me de e ka me nko a wo kwotena wo bi fi a susu ye wo shepe enye ode a na bompa ye se wo benya ade da bia me ka se me papa ko dwadu ni fie meja obo ase abetena kumasi a me haidan me metena wo fie na me ye ho shepe because nya me dia ena minimu usu nti e be kakra ne bia o kire usu be bi kana me mpe ti me 2 years no so a me pack me no mako ti nya fe na be siesie ho me siesie dam na ma me feel comfortable ba me meto wo fie ho me be bobo net me me ye no makuntan na me wi maja ho 2 years na wafa because fa tete me ye wi okra me ho e osi so sana ni party o ana ni esa hello good morning hello all right obia emma so anopawe I have this message here BBC says Diane thank you for bringing this topic in fact okay
morning
hello good morning
morning
me pa chodin baby afre me free me pa chodin baby afre me free o frame me a misro eya low TV no me tie wo ho TV no so o yo friend of so say tie no ho TV let's say ente wonka na etwetwe sisi na wankasa cry ma o divided attention ente no o frame me a eya me tie wo ho e wo TV no so 40 minutes after 6 a.m. call bia my BBC says that Diane thank you for bringing this topic on board in fact I went to rent a certain woman's house. There were no tiles. I did a tiles, I did a toilet, I did a ceiling because it was close to my office. After 2 years, the woman told me that she is not collecting the 600 Ghana I paid, but rather 800 Ghana, all because of the things I did. Diane, now I am looking for a new apartment. What should I do? Because when I calculate the things I have done, it will take me like 8 years. Now see, stingy and greedy landlords. Wow, ebi new. So, why you silly amount? What total amount? Why you toilet amount? Do or no betinem? That's what we are on fanko. Obeja ufio. It's your property. Afowie
sika na wo je no afi we increase no why all because it's obetiti enyanhwe na also pese so ntam why do we do this oba de nyankopon onka ye ho na omoaye no ma edra no pa se ne ye ho te se Christopher du kwasi ada ye frede ye kwa so de mu no omo yesu ban so enye sa okotu se if you be gina so dem osan ya sorry penny meku penny so atiase youth committee eni adiade nenso omu suban wotina ne fia wuntimi wakwa asori abakro wunse oba abechia no asintrase no kwhye de na kuma mu nti ne yebo nyina ama nipa bebre so omo nkwa asori bi to di ni pechia obeye bone ti mesra wo se ne krakra woko ha obi fia ka wuni so waye bibia ewie no akwa akwoche ene wa 2000 deda isu ho deda ceiling waye deda wabobo ne net so open net ya wabobo deda enya afi na akobobo net ya enya afi na akotowo ewo fie mse madam video watowo my goodness ka wo hu fie ne sene madam fu na ye fie na wo wasa akosi amanya me ka me pack wo me say menua why mistake say woto wo man krofo wi wasa akosi matena fie 10 good years omo say rent ni nyanso yenti hwe de omo de ye me share bibi ni daki watu wa print kama sana ba yobenye baby apake ne ka wo fie ho wa o fie ra askwada wantimi o si fie wantimi anto fie ho wo eti say efie bi amini say state wo baby ya na wo mo se na ka so fie ne mo sa because gonna those days in those estate houses no wo mo ntoto ho wo enti wo mo asebi wo mo guys say no sebi so bo nse eni bia ba na mo toto wo ne ade na say when they buy those estate houses na no mo start to wo bebre na ade no bebre na so de wo mo da so say de wo mo tent no mo nto ho wo na we eyefo ye ona akọ high estate houses bi a me Kenya now ye wadwen say wo de ukura kanti no beto wo ama wo mo edibe ye wo ye wie ya wo no be pick calls troubles madam fumisi ye ne bi enra ono me kasasa na wosu na wo hwe na dwuma wo san ye wani mu a ne container ne shop kam wo fie na kasa wo se o san tabro o tu container wo yesa kosi wo hu ahwo ya ye mu ne ani bre obi okura ka na ho na si o ka be pack won ti o pack o ka won ti de obe ye no wa na abetu obi na okura sa na o stay with obi abeti na o fie na watu woni suban ti mesro say okoto obi fia enya hwe wo ha nya dia we are na call baby o ti ase nyame nka ho ene ga na komo aye bedi ene say nano eye MPP4 vet na wo mo ye chema wuntimi kopi ase na komo twitwima chema wuntimi se ono so ewo ne kingdom ewo asantememu na when I think I stand to be corrected se kokoso hene na owo ho no ni sieni kikiri ene empanifo atrokrata e de akwa akoma eye general secretary of the New Patriotic Party MPP amanyeko kese no se womra menhye fikesim na se wo ba menhye fikesim a womfa chema wuntumi enka ho anopa bejafo betan se mesere bi se omo se eye politicians a wo mo di omo ho etwitwi eye ene ahemfo a wo ma se omo di omo ho ewura ahemfo semmu no eno no emfaso wo so ana se emfaso ni so e ba ne sen na politicians otimi ka se wo kingdom do you have a kingdom chema wuntumi so wo ne kingdom enti no ya twensa free general secretary of the New Patriotic Party say wo ba wonfa eye chema wuntumi enka ho emfa emra one ne mienu nyina emra menhia fikesie mu ye behwe san komo no na yedi esanso dia beto dwa biom na say eye central market Kumase asem na making central market otimi say yeja eketia no yeja to ho emfihia kakra ni na no na adwadifo mo ho no wo mo aye press conference no press conference no na omo de ato na sante hene otumfo otikokoso Ken Solomon nim say Ken Solomon send ya wakasa wada Roma we see the one no tumu ma konfa no chia na etete apansam o ka say ye nyina ye dia enti timemufo ne ankrankre wo mo nsori waka no wo mo moa na konfa no chia atete apansa no sebie son sebie nyato enti mi emfa ne ntima pa efra bi mu no buaye na odefo wadaroma kotodwogu fom na Central Market Era Lanchamatin ene ye papa JDM ene omom keka hu na mpanifo mo sorry na wo mo enye enfama ifise MPP aban baaye no wotimu se enoma na wo senkoye mpuntu me wo senkoye e wa asantebe mu no wo jani nyina edi ego enti mo sorry na mo moaye next say omo enye enfama ye na omo ye sa press conference we pe ena adwadifo ni bi MPP fo ni bi omo so aye press conference no we dey asamo dey ye politics no omo so aba kasa na ne pepam and I say enye ne pepam why are they doing this adena keyetia no omo dey dane politics say MPP for sebie so nke nyine nim se krum ade asantememu kuma say mo stronghold so say mutimi enwani aba wa Ashanti region say mo no you on your way to victory anasa na fedie hampa wosenka mommo ni ko ho na mo ye nuoma akese Central Market mo aye akwanyina na nka mo aye na ka santimemu du bi on say hey MPP fee enti no mo aye sa no money na no we aren't seeing all these things of course I don't pay minua bema my goodness what's not say na of course me pentam na makwa komano akwaba na mebisa na say why are they doing this of course minua bema Abambila John Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC and we did kind Alba and to make to action and tentem so this is my first time of meeting him and to remember na Koowaa na Mr. Misano send an impomo AC Abambila Koowaa if you hobo call and this one to say oh you know the from my first time on my show. Oh really? Thank you. Also you see my just I think committee. Fatija.
You met me and they said, "Oh, you we Esha se ubetumi aye hwe abawua unua omame usuani wadamfo bi egu kosoa esha wumude na ubetumi aye amana
Another minimum topic no what the na ye started with the fact to say Hejitia aben betna so baby His Excellency JDM edruye na ofri aben mu na Stella no Hejitia no eda so eda hosa na yento aso ama edwedifo ababe press conference afi ewie ya asem before ni bi so aso ma be kanta ne ade no what would you love to say about it
me that's it my do I say no I'm more free na me come person so what is half one no
great
na me nchi and this for who na me nchi ya the incoming MP for half one no for abu akwese do say na me nchi ya the former deputy Ashanti regional minister honorable Dr. Andy Okra unim say minuaba papa no jumadi a odidi boaga na babu no not only in Ghana we asa fa na nyina no yewo Koowaa you from the humanitarian global. You will Koowaa you from the humanitarian global award.
Okay.
The whole world. They've recognized Honorable Dr. Andy Okra as one of their best inspiring CEO. Ghana has here. In fact, Yabona Baso. I just would dear Juma song called the wow my Ghana babuno.
Okay.
Because our son would Juma dear way the ODM. Se only na Ghana from Britanechi yenuma yenya so mfa so de etanechi se juma na wudi na ye juma papa wudi dibwa Ghana.
Okay.
Na macha the former DC for Antuma Wabeja South.
Okay.
Honorable na nasali bedi akododo na fed Obama. Minim so what ni dia na miadom.
Martini di minimum no.
ono so adwuma sonko a wafa ato no ho so wasante mantem de bua NDC tuyento to yehwe se NDC befa ne ntoma friend come this election 2024
okay
na NDC vote to me increase no in fact e bo papa na baso na we say wono de he is all out to support anybody why na ade so beba na naso te adwuma papa na ye no wasa abaso body wasa abaso body mini aba yadru ase no in fact ya nkan bia enye
also can be
asem we asem a ehu hia ye ehu hia ne se ye wasante mantem dwa kese esi hoi dwa menu aba in fact minu mi no nyina edi adan se e boost to economy
exactly
o kai bra John Mahama e di aso bebofo na wo ba besi se dwa wi unim nsem esi wasante mantem ase then Ashanti regional chairman untumi ye whole lot of press conference sisa sabi ka for ye ma menu ma omani afi ma ebibo mu ho adeja kopa o moto ase se John Mahama his excellency Babetu Galamsey e wasante mantemu ase omunye demonstrate emu duabo ahodoa ekoso editi asade yankomra nyina the whole West Africa na market ya edimu na eso ebebe sidie asante mantemu ase ne sentino yebebo ye wa dondramani ma abaso wo dwumadi a wodiye nfie nan o ye kase ye ka nyuma papa ne ye wa asante mantemu hase ya nuaba editwam MPP mfie wotwe a o mabedie no muni ba kokora wa asante mantemu ase when we talks of road John Mahama yibi wa asante mantem ye ka school John Mahama ayibi ye ka hospital sa John Mahama ayibi ye ka market ya John Mahama ayibi the whole 47
MPP for say be
the whole 47 constituencies in Ashanti region has say be pie no no ma wo be kwa yewura John Dramani Mahama ne ho entu hwan wo ho no be bia wo be ko bia no wo be nya project by project ya waye wo ho no ahiti adanse say papa ne be di akonya no ani Asante man aburo be bia dru mini aba enka kejetia market enka yemfa nya amanyo semu
exactly
but ye nuanu Asante mantemu hase MPP fo wa hase ayo omadwen se bi kafro omudi kejetia be ye market kejetia be ye politics omudi be ye politics amanyo semu because ye kana ankoya Asante fo be kase ye nto aba NPP enti se eko bi soletia ni ekoso kejetia na ene MPP fo wo organizer any MPP organizer was Asante mantemu ase ne chama wontumi be organizing krofoku bi se muso kwa press conference enkiki against say omubua ne ekoso no entisa the reality is on the ground.
And what is it?
And the reality is that the traders no more honum they are facing challenges. So trader be free kejetia eba out ebe kasa he or she feels the condition over there. Enti minim yentia MPP for besore say ye beye putupa ni ye demonstration against sanyoma we ye kiki and ye ka ye NDC for na share trip. Let me tell them this should be a disgrace for them, disgrace for MPP 8 years in power in power miniaba na project by project at this press conferences answer okay during Nancy Mutama untumi aya press conference asro mampanyini say o mampanyina na do dan kwa akofo de beye eye interchanges no enya sa Asante mabu ya dai afu MPP ase bibia menuaba ewo bia wa Asante mantemu abia no say ebedru aban mu a just a press conference
nto man press conference omuntumi nya
hwe na press conference no kwampo no o mampanyina na do dan kwa akofo na so asi wo because we see wonti
so on case wonti
we see wonti ye wo ha no ka che ga
what is say o se unti
oh me aba wo betia o she boso obeye 5 interchanges
okay
akosi say oh oye o she boso obe wi mebu a wa wi 5 interchanges ba kokora mpo no onduru ba bia mpo na kase wo komienu wo se the time a obefi so wo se 5 interchanges na santimantem mo saka ba kokora untumi wi o she boso agenda 111 anase mboa agenda 111 akosi say these are the evidence basis ayeye dey ye kan wasem enti ye wo MPC a omukura positions abodina kase wasante mantem ase the likes of housing minister, energy minister, KT Harmon is the ministry of what do you call it, trade. We have ministers in Ashanti region. They have no power to lobby for development in Ashanti region. What is the use in government?
To be say omuntimi en lobby ma yenye bibia ma Asante.
Omuntumi they don't have the balls.
I didn't someone need the balls.
They don't have
when it comes to Honorable Muntaka, utimi lobby. Look at Aswasi for instance.
Yes.
The same way na omuntimi timia lobby ama yayama. When you say so muntimi lobby, I think I disagree with you.
Grace wohoi adom. Nyame achecha mu ubia ne na adom.
Okay.
Ubia adom oduru ho no wo kan ya.
Ne yayama no.
Bara omu kampo
grace no
omu de no wo say obekai opem so emra na wo ye he confanoti program no what asem wo kan wo say MP samuwa santimantamu a akra tena ye mu de dodo MP samuwa santimantamu a say no me ba enkra tena ye omu de ten so omu ankasa beba santimantam abenku challenges e koso no mu de akoto omampanyire nim se bra na be boaye no omuma enti dabia no Asante mantem ni ye kachi dabia ni ye kachi but adia awerho na eya atete eye supa ne se menuaba at the end of the day ya be kwa akoto aba no na Asante region asasante tintintinte akwa akoto aba ma MPP but when it comes to development they lack everything.
Are you saying say development be in course so since the MPP came to power?
Me who ade bia MPP ashase within his 8 years in power. I was antemante say we.
There are some rules why am
me who
ahojo da ban.
Me fast akwansunti.
That's I'm giving you all these answers. Ahojo da ban sokoban wo mo
na ye wo
ya kama na wo fa if anything atunsu espresso aputuja to contanse I think they are still there.
But so is it only the development here? Is it only the development here? Ashanti region here pay the vote or modema MPP ana over 60% vote percent now just short roadway. Dear Asantifu here is the KGT market,
exactly,
which is boosting the economy. And then time challenges when move face traders in face. The question now was on Mampenny Buso say, how are they surviving? Kwame on facility. Kwame should be fast to Omoma University school fees. Omu hangout Kwame should be fast to These are some of the things I wasn't come Mampenny and another Danko for the Tnas and I was to sooner want to now what the goods and you say no I deal with you were John Dramani Muhammad seeing me say because say trainer so Muhammad minyabi say a trainer so Muhammad mina so me committee apai kamia me kama me ko John Muhammad tumi asonda ya pa be si kejetia market we phase 1 awie na me nuaba ene phase 2 phase 3 edaso ya mutua se bi kafra MPP for more Asante mantem amoka biewu na muntumi nkasa ye no ane say na menuaba amene.
Are you saying say because of the KGT market MP administration team enye no ebetime enya so coming election so?
It's not about only KGT market.
But what?
It's about the mess they have created.
Sorry.
the mess they have created.
What mess?
Mess, economic mess. Hardship.
In your administration, was the economy so?
Oh, it was far better than today.
Like seriously?
Like seriously. Because under John Dramani Mahama administration, the challenges that are now facing in now was only one, and that challenges was the energy crisis.
Are you saying so
that so opa under John Mahama administration, the amount for Kampa was the doomsday na buying. Everywhere was the doomsday.
To do some kind of problem during his excellency.
Because maybe about sometimes need 3 times a day. And then one no crap mini about so one can't no crap a bear. And there's a abontia young guys no umuwa na umpeka kramame. Why? Because Nana Danko Akufo they will see the high, the hope high, and then the hope in be low.
Okay.
It is na mambo buru hu chiro mu. O kacha Ghana for me amete ya say o the sika be she ibotom. Mebwa.
O ka so ba be she.
O so the sika be she ibotom. Obema ya dwuma ye. Ni yenye sika gu ibotom. Enya sa lo kan.
Oba dwuma bi aba.
Dwuma be na aba mini aba.
Dwuma bi ama.
Obegu banks. Mewa
na banks wa keka mu ma
e ho nkyere na wuni nipa dodo wa sabika fra banks no omo ho kyere omo na ebia so omo akonfo agu
bebre
sabika say bi banga na dagwa akofo do guye ebia fa ho abodam bitibia nye
enti me pese me bisa o se enti se nka wa nya ne stanso nka won susu se enka gumu prekesen anka no kra de enka be chen
menu aba
na banks be free
a
lot of
problems obi ma save me sika wo bank bi metumi ko eko kashe e de ye me business oba ye wa ba be gu adwuma no sika wo say na e wo bank ni me wo so wo de ma me nsa kan ya. What is the essence of collapsing the banks? Me ye adwuma me nuaba wo se wo gu banks ebra wo be gu banks no create adwuma ma me a wo yi me afiri ho no mo ya makonya adwuma ye because eno na me ye didie eno na me ye de hwe me ma but wo be gu banks no when create adwuma bia it what is the essence of it? Essence being it maybe John wa metia saying I would have wished say banks na ogunu no ke ebeye operationalization and na me no can say to create more jobs because so per se we economy need to migrate. It's not about the government sector government sector say government ejuma we be o my say is to privatize with the private world institutions. Not private institutions to me for ejuma she Dr. Parker in the banks in the particular say na ya ejuma on across the country ogu banks no omo a no mo ya ejuma on ye dey so and if you look at a bit bia obi ka for no ye bank manager bank CEO who a bit bia krapo na are ho because there was no plan, there was no policy na na Danko Akufo-Addo he targeted say wo me no wonye dako.
Are you sure?
He targeted
like sort one or target to say
me say there is one CEO I don't want to mention his name or say then MPP were opposition the finance minister ba na so ye Kenoforiata the car say o pese o de otone bank no di adwan wo ka say da bi me ye madwuma ma fam babu na adwuma me mo adwuma enti no mitumi mfa me bank ne ma finance minister ba he was the first person who targeted bank.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. He said it on live. He was granted an interview.
What has happened to his bank?
Collapsed. Pako sindum oye bone bay.
our be a juma. Just one day. What collapse? So when you know a dear indication a person another than Kufuor or by now failure or my Ghana. The promise our the man no mean and one hour they saw ya no position and our buy and a one I better. What the flag are crampuna won't tell it. Won't tell it and the crowd won't take over. Everybody is crying. Unya will be a bedina Ghana has here. Obeka so many more than obi a sebi MPP abemunya bibi fru. Ko markets, ko schools, ko other institutions. Everybody is crying. Zoom lion for into your moka. Go and check. Me say I have a friend working there.
What if your friend is really lying?
He is not lying. He has been working for almost 50 years.
I feel like Intiano.
Almost 50 years old. Until he will never lie. And then Nakufo say, Nakufo is. Musi Aria Saban we do Wamuno, Abentia. Called the training schools, the nursing schools, Omalawa, MI. Until these are the indications any the economic hardship one Bawumiama Ghana phone say one day yeka economy onim che obi a wo my Ghana sebi ka fro yam fan to one na yam dey say the late vice president back was Mr. Atakacha and say well you are doing only theory economy when it comes to practical you don't have it and the Bawumia's were journey free the economy I say well you digital man Mr. Digitalization.
What are you talking about?
Oh, since it's a for economy. Canadian Japan when was the last time Bawumia classified the economy?
Is it because he has not,
because he don't have the balls now to talk about it. He has lose the weight. He has lose the weight. And Ghanaians are going to judge Dr. Bawumia according to the mess he has created in the economic sector. What was the rate of GDP? And I say exchange rate. MPP for more say you were done the many Mahama bon wasan. Now exchange rate of Mahama fish now forced to 20 pesos. And I say fuel price and I now 16, 17 cities. We did the year done the many Mahama and I say
fuel and bath from
68. 70
better than
68 68
so
things are not changing 68 compare strike the difference 70 68 70 minus 17 what is the difference say 70 crown point say 53 remember check it this drivers force you Abosa can't force they can't wait to vote this government out. Magazine force today everybody is crying. Abofra was say yafuma yan wono krampon osu wo yafuni.
Are you crying?
I am crying.
Is it because you are in opposition?
Me sorry ahomache ya minu aba.
What is the guarantee say Mopa you going to change things within a certain an hour?
Minu aba you say experience is the best word.
So why didn't you do it then?
Experience is the best teacher.
Why didn't you do it then?
Experience is the best teacher. Because there is one thing now. If you form my mutime, amuwe buakwa. Afalo no fufu you form my ye bomba baso. Unim mkojom na maami bi hume. Ohumi ya no ba me njan. Menini din komanda nipa mienu so beka ho. No say John Mahama can't send His Excellency. In fact, Nakuma Tony, or MPP in Nakuma Tony. That's my assembly. What say? John Mahama say 2024 election year con or mine more than at Tiapansam. We don't need promises into me fulfilling.
That in the promises are he will fulfill them.
He will fulfill them. Enti John Mahama said he will measure his promise very well.
So is he measuring?
He's measuring his promise. Unim. MPP form ma erase Ghana for who form Minyaba in 2016. One district,
one factory.
Ewa hen.
Unhubi.
I have I don't know if you're a factory.
Unhubi.
Mimi many say Unhubi. I've been going around.
You are just refusing to say.
I'm not me send me a Ghana ni. Say why be
so one district one factory no e bi ewo yet de ha won bi de.
Me nko ho nko hui.
Okay, but what
me nko ho me ntei e bi afena me bete dia minim. Afena me bete dia menye dey minim. Ba me ntei. I have one of ye twa factory. I have one of ye twa $1 million.
You've not experienced
we've
that?
We've not received it. Kobo.
All right.
8 years you. It can say $8 million me boy.
How much getting now?
8 years you see. 8 na John Mahama say. Sa entro nsema ye kan ye ntumi nye no. Me aba. And some fatasa politician ye di ye na besi so. Going forward you know. Yen kan nsema ye betumi aye dey.
Okay. Aye.
Coming back to KJT project no. It is a disgrace to MPP administration. Say in the 8 years of MPP administration, KJT phase 2 markets in 2 million. Phase 3 in 2 million. I just said beautiful and I be a press conference. Na omu wi a o ma so omo akofo mu omo agasa nkrofo. They identify MPP people.
That's how you see.
They identify MPP people.
Oh, you know.
Some are branch executives.
Okay.
Ward executives.
All right.
Some are constituency executives. They identify. And when they come out, no more baby defenders had the winner MPP by 8 years 1 to million. It will move John Mobek and Sebika Fra. I almost fell kakra.
Okay.
And what's a ferry be a boy MPP abai?
Sorry.
Now, almost be free John Dramani Mahama. A brown war administration. Now, NDC or 4 members of parliament. I was anti-mantimo. But I don't quite have fun of where I come from. Project by project. I cost honor.
Okay.
Under the good leadership of Honorable Kwesi to say.
Oh, okay.
And then Honorable Adair Mankwa and you were John Dramani Mahama. A juma pay course on. Quasi was a corre.
Okay.
Quasi was a corre. Jamaica say Shira, Yamishrawa, baby, go Rebiano, Okayani Ayamo.
Okay.
In Tinamishra NDC fought to the stairs say, baby, you could be even your own position crampling. I the call is that and persuasion. May I say one and put to Juma one air also. But I sent him dear. She Kosoa. It's your best friend. Madame said, to open swing. Said you can get your phone money, can you now? Almost open so.
Okay.
To open so already, Wabofra, Manofuma Fatemi.
Great.
Menya Santini.
Great.
Manofuma Fatemi.
Great.
Nebra, never buake get your phone. Now phase 2, phase 3 no. Open so. To me and finish him. Ne mwame get die. And cost ye. Na into me mwama economy no. And so sawo. Ghana has it. Any asante.
We are Abambila John and it's in a National Regional Communication Team member for the NDC. Right about now, Misaka Madina, a Jimmy Boachiansa, National Regional Communication Team member for the MPP, Jimmy Afishapa.
Diane, I think come to you.
Why late?
We say don't pass this on. Because Uncle also show my mom na program so starting term ka 20.
O si we the answer na makodi aka.
Sapa pepe.
Me anam de show.
Mame ntia obi biara wagibra wo hweye enano pai na yema obi biara afishapa CFC afi 2024 we ni ededikan me de abepiem wo hanum se nti yema obi biara afishapa na yasere Nyankopon hira e de ama obi biara enano pai na wotwa yesimu bosumi ya wo mu ni afi fufuro ya yabedimi na mintia lawyer Justin Frimpong kodua bebe obi a Honorable Clement Opogu Jamfi etia okwansonko so I'm a member of parliament, Honorable Dr. Stephen Amo, Michian Kwasunko, so, and then she has some painful wine, Ichia Bibia, na Professor Chumesi o contested ahafano constituency on so ye dintia sonko e de man adwuma pa wa ye de abo my Ghana ntino e be se na ahafano for so aconsider na omode na ba medisi de kra no me penny bako mechiano wo adwuma so a obo me bese me boni di bo no akasa no wo so hwe me di na obo mu se e yo no yeda obi ase on the issue
of the KGT I'm so much interested
of the KGT me ba no me nua kan bibi me reba take akra asa no mako KGT marketing so me nua no mo parking kan so obi a obeka che say yes mo parking kan say bi so person kan
no so I can you
me ba so can be the best thing to do is to read about it.
Okay.
What I say and find knowledge or wisdom in whatever you want to say.
Okay.
First and foremost, Amambila Indina say ambulance say chair the constituency nyabi. The $1 million I the bar each constituency. The understanding of everything they say. They have government prioritized needs and a constituency specific needs. And under the government prioritized needs, Abani decided say, or when you may be a person, the 275 constituencies are, it will be under the $1 million.
Okay.
Until that constituencies, ambulance said the bread, all the 275 constituencies, the cost was from the constituencies $1 million.
Okay.
The constituency when project. Again, so Bekaya, each constituency 275 is selected. Government has selected 3 communities are deplorable in terms of sanitation. Sebi baby a man for kwayo mu hu kakra no. Selected 3 communities in all the 275 are no more issues about sebi baby omo ja omo nan e ho nsensem. Duba insha so a ukwa de be ba melcom ho no e kwan na de chiro no. Ba ku esi ho no on your left.
I'm passion hu.
Uko Santase MA primary so na nkola no no mko school na pro mpeso yo mu ya na eje omo sika. Asana mo nya baby ene ba ku si ho no. And now KCC South Central so okay KCC school mo no so ba ku si ho. These are the 3 I the buy constituency and say ebiem government has selected 3 communities are more issues with water in so wasem e di ba no constituency ha yin so ha uko Apramai MA primary nsu ni ba ku ho no uko ade be ba nsu ni ba ku ho uko anyinema nsu ni ba ku ho no. So these are the 3 projects are government decided say 275 in now on non government no from the cost of the $1 million no they are all the 275 the aka no constituency specific needs if you person mo bridge uko Santasia and now so mo see market Santasia market no but you mo yi mana ba no the backgrounds are under the $1 million.
Okay.
Uko Adireba community here we record man na drinks na gutters.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Under the $1 million initiative uko Patasi kuda de nimu na dusty road any wura kuda de nimu but ene dia me no kasen it has been
asked no edahen
kuda da no do block house Patasi block house
okay
uko woni mu room on your right but dia mete this so that no park no na nya asphalt ene dia me no kasen no ye $1 million project ebiem odjene ho kwada so Star Junction baby artistic kon wono wura kuda de nimu na ye nya drinks
so yaye
efa all saints nfifi woni na de kofa sub metro fa chemba woni na ye nya $1 million project. So uko kwada so estate Pentecost asoda na mpotem ho nyina na drinks bie ni ho no uko ho no ma winya tan na ko no ma bon de mekenya nti the $1 million no say ndc ni be bibia transit na so tu futuro eguamanfo no say be wo fa hafa no na ba ena eye me de say ubisa ne say ba bia wo no wonya daje de oni ayeden akore project o say da bi nko hwe so it affirms say you are executive within the constituency representing a political party. So one person will proper communication. Now one person will be armchair communicator. Over now, we can work can be open. You two and a more now do near them. Any damn no can say. The NDC in Ashanti region for 8 years, one commission, one hospital project. No commission in hospital project. Now
let's go straight to the point of the KGT. How come someone deal with at all, sir? Because
Diane,
yes, because
I will address it.
Because I said, me I'm sorry, and upon me who saw and I was like, MPP, Kroma ya modia sebi. Ye can't stronghold of MPP. I said when we never Kumasi. Na say mo when no. So how come say you of all people?
Yes.
A whole Kumasi. So now mutimi e jaya DJ Musa. Emma kijiti adahosa. This is a press conference answer.
Diane, mechanical program is on Mobile TV, and we have the information. And the information is free market women. Ne, the four now Mokoye press conference. Our Kobo John Mohammedin. Sami Jemfi, and I am the sponsor of that initiative. Say, Mampini that I be back room and say 24th. And it's either 24th or date me.
Eti
omo pese oba okohono.
Okay.
What I say, into omo press conference na. Omo kan say oba no abaya mai. Abaya market na de e de amaye. Say na be ya ono so ba based upon the omo kan press conference ni no. Obetu na mo no wako.
Okay.
And that is an agenda setting. In politics, every will be agenda setting.
I understand.
So we person
never is an agenda.
Ade ba ko ade bia me try as much as possible say me say even though I represent the MPP, but we will face the facts in terms of communication. You can cry. If you book it or you come out, we say brand asema o kan dia no kra na o kan. Yen nyina mbi say say Central Market Project. You shall see Afibem. Afibem mun start Central Market Project. Go mu in view of China mo so ye de ma mo. Kilita market mo nwi. Eye o mampani ekufo dompu na se bio oyo bi a odwen Ghana fo ho dwen santema ho. Oba ye no ba bia na modi project na kusi obeto aso. The year 2017, the year 2018, 2019 na you complete your major default me bem. Say no mampani that John Domani ma call Ekunfi, sorry, or call Commander Sugar Factory. Na you so kwa commission no. The same thing na mampinda John Domani ma person commission kejita marketer. And na otiko koso am place o mananya den. Am commission because as a project ni wie.
So how do you
Adentina about 2016 is person be commission. They make na say ye buy no. Sebi o. Sanka ya ngi manfo no ho a. Anka kejita market enye project. Anka yen complete. The sense of Ghana for him no. Na no ka say ya complete am je defo ayen akom it was you in 2019 e je defo ko mu no 2020 e na ye to aba no 2020 afinima na ko ya COVID-19 e be bo mu say o man sika sam na bibia but notwithstanding that no abenya to me gina ne ma my na dia me no ka say no the Central Market Project say you enya say ye wo foundation level ya peja structure next one ma ya bosso te say the mujja kilita market si one no say the beto kilita market sabe pepe na na the Central Market akodru but in 8 years ya complete with the apeja the si one ma bosso it tells you say ye wo opepa say ye be
okay
but ye nyina no sebi o say say bi di mo kra ma ye ho a me metena no say meka say o me MPP nti o sika wo ye be abani say o de ebu akwan mo is to make sure say resources are aban or the people project no na structure ye project si wono ma ya bosso aya bibia wi ya baba be complete me default me eden akom enti inim saka mfi baako aban e wo say
afi baako mbetimi de
ye be wi pa the most important thing is sebi you ye ma mfi 9
okay
so ye tumi design mfi 9 ni be complete with ye na say ye dia start ye dia si dan si wono ma bosso a yinya rehemu o mampani ekufo do ne MPP ma ekuo se baby a ye de sa dwumadi ya kodu bia no ye de bekwa wie papa na masre adwedifo a omo marketing se omo ye modwen se omo be politics e wo hono ma emwa o because omo so be politics pa dia ene sebisebio aban se sade ne obi anya na dwen se aban hofo no so de nkofo na ye de e ba begum and they should not allow the economic activities na cause omo fa political issues infiltrate because hono na we wonim say support party we obi ba hono mo a na se nipa ni be dwa asantema mu ne wo majority of the people here MPP for
okay
the people ka say we o NDC no ko hono na nkoto na de sanye man so mo alawa na se idi hine e wo market hono ma and affected traders no mo yedwuma hono na e bia na sebisebio yakupon fan kwachichiri ebia na nya MPP na te power maybe asem bi asi wo hono we see we MPP ni enti mo boa and I say mo boa ejadifo mo ha say e ma mo fa nkan ho they should stop the political issues on your one na omo ko jisika se ne be ya omo be say edwedi ekoso wo hono ne niema mpanifu atoto no nyina no e be sere omo njai emwa aban na be di omo di akodo no anka even before some be sa press conference rest of omo bo aban na baso so ye hu se opje di akodo mpempenso bi definitely efe be se ukoye ne se ukobo Muhammadin dia directly or indirectly politics na we na de yake nyina ne se biu ya abambila ye bibi se obetina fidie so na se biu ya wo na wo ba be kan wo fidie so akere o te kokos wo se nema o te kokos wo eyen e bia wo abambila wo you don't know, you have no idea ana muntu a ebi adwadifo mu mpanifo kwa atu akomansia ne ote kokoso ne mpanifo wa asantemo mu bia you don't
know, we know all
what you say sebi ote kokoso you mpuntu juma o ye ne wa asantemo mu a enti sebi you don't sit on air and then who the king of the Ashanti kingdom no won try say wo ba be kasa if you say entwe
okay
nana eti krom ha menhia bebi akigiti market wo central market wo ne bebi menhia wo no obi hia say obeto pa wi ansa na sebiu ati kokoso to wana ma oni de wo ye and you tina you are don the money mahama ba say 2016 ye beto abant obefa wo bibi dwana na yemi ye no
okay
isi den na wantu yemi e because say na mpanifo ne asanteman ati kokoso no o mu nimdie koso de panin poto for mu program say ya this bia no mo ye de amote but name bi wono na muntu bi wono ma ye fam beto abonte de be say nanu man disifo the angle of mutiki sade ne say ye nkofti otiko koso mremu ye lisi no mesremo sane ma omunjai enyemo na mo be kache otiko koso say oni bibi ono ahodo ha yeti kuma wudu ha yeti say panin profit of ma sibita frache otiko koso obete.
Alright, so 28 minutes after 7 a.m. You call all the way till 8 a.m. Last part of the show, you cry me the Ahmacho phone between you and what me a friend and what my share and that's the Jimmy Boachi and Session Radio Communication Team member for the MPP. Couple of messages that quickly now no yakwa share your second story and I'm pay there to you and say chama want to me ekopie mo e MPP vet na se na okopie ho no na odi nsembi etu dwa say ono so e won kingdom e wo krom ha na during that vetting na okoso hene e wo hobi enti eno enam so ema sebie son sebie nyaado ono no kroso a ene no yatro krata tintintin ede ama MPP General Secretary na omode krata no command se omra ahefie no wo mo asene se oba onfa chema want me enka ho enfamra na no na no pay bisa say is it good say politicians mo de mo ho efrefra you know I info na say info mo de mo ho ewira amanyo semo ebeboa anase emwa. And of course, why is Chema want to be saying say oh kingdom, what kingdom do you have here? Okay, and okay ye bidu won come. I have this message from a Kingsley Oseke that says good morning Diane. I am not surprised about the MPP money issue on the 1 million per constituency. So he is telling us that without the $1 million project, Ghana could be in distress. He should actually be ashamed about the inability of his party to build that market over that 8 good years. So he wants Sami Jemfi to trigger before an action to be actually completed. I know he will actually shift the blame of the incompetency to Ukraine and of course the Russia war, or this time Gaza war. MPP is a failure to Ghana. This is from Kingsley Osei. I'm Uncle Boss. This is a good morning by him and Diane. Send my greetings to your team for me. Thank you so very much. My member John Abambila and baby Senti mo amanyo sema mode na sanfo a mode omhurura amanyo semu na wa wo hwe se Chema want to me castle one a kingdom. Chema want to walk kingdom kroma.
I mean
if I ever time I want to miss some many have it now I can't say but
you want to go back
me person some kind of
maybe cool. I some few minutes.
Yeah, time I want to me as some day shorter if you cry. I can some
quickly.
Or say Santro near Dana before President Biano. Omutu Gugana for an especially as sentimentum, na bibi koso was sentimentum, na enyana santi forsole. A cat somewhere, almost no, a NDC for the church. Sad tronia that Umbejai. Sami Denfi has never in any way abeshe traders for Putupa. Say you were John Dramani Mahame Bahase. If they should go and do press conference. Sami Denfi Nesadi. It is this kind of their lies. There be almost person omutu Ghana for any. But I say we in any way. Say Sami Denfi Kwampaka so muya. He is calling for the development of Kenya market, and he wanted good sheep. It is a man to me anya. Mo faso bonu kobo ubi. 2. The better say say because from minim say opim so wo ye no ma bebre me minim. But me de said na me so me de to nani se keje tia no se bi kafra omusu entinu omuni su no opim so nso bi nya dai ama wo mo I have never said anything bia my kasa de tia yi no give me the and about 1 million per constituency no emi ene etiefo etie be hu se ampa MPP does not have any future plan for this country and eye no kure say omun sem omo kanyina no ube attribute that kind of what the ambulances to 1 million constituency ube attribute ekwan ya moye to 1 million constituency enti we nyina entro ne adada pa mo ye say na mo share bo no ohun say mo share bo tre Ghana for no mo share bo say constituency bia mo be man $1 million so 8 good years in you 8 good years. It is a gatan where you will be constituency. You are telling me say gatan is from the $1 million, from the $8 million. Oh, this is a shame.
It's a shame.
It's a shame, Minyaba.
You don't mean it.
It's a shame for you so because 1 million, 8 million. What to me the year only gatters. $8 million US to me only gatters. Minyaba. MPP never again in this country.
Okay.
Because omedi Ghana for him, especially Asante man, vote omunya no Asante region no. Enya ho fa so no omanya. Now I come back to Chamawuntu. Minyaba. Before make asano. Ma mummu ase ma opem so. Se na medika kan, menya kan ni.
Sure.
Enti se me kasana ma no tia opem so. Na anope wo dia chame. One openifo. Minyaba. In fact, yesum sikadwa. Na sikadwa yesum. Eno na amaye babete. Imi fi northern region. Na mete Asante Mantem. Asante Mantem a mete no so no. Opem so yi na henfo. Eno odin omuasisi na emu ho no. Enti no. Opem so e na ama me bia me yedai. To the stand say nipa dasani benya tumi abroso minyaba na se be kafo bekasa e de atie sikadwa kofi obekasa de atie opem so me amete ha say no me menso so minya obia o but I will not support sade na nipa ne ye no. Why? Chamawuntu mi the whole chamawuntu mi se bi kafra nyame akatua otua nipa no otua akatua no kwa bebrebe so se wo ka bag mo se nyame ntua wo ka se ne wunuma se ye de se ye papa nyame betua wo ka se ne wunuma ne sitie e ye bone nyame betua wo ka se ne wunuma sitie ahoma so ne ahantan kasa ene ntra kasa chamawuntu mi bo awa Asante Mantem asen wo se wakeka ene wakeka ko bebia ne kwa se wakeka ko ni nyina mu no enye bibia o because MPP na ama na tumi a ode ye sade
you think MPP for na so kwa kansa
MPP for na ama na hode a
wode yɛ saa deɛ kɛnyɛ saa sɛbi kafra chama wuntumi opemsoɔ ɔmo se yɛfrɛ obi sɛ ɔkɔ ahemfi a yɛwɔ mo ɔmo wɔ hɔ yɛfrɛ sɛ twi no ahenkwafo sɛbi kafra o sɛ nye bibi na yɛ bibi a kachama wuntumi dura ahemfi hɔ ma ahenkwafo kɔpo na wonyɛ dɛ wonu ɔmo nyɛ pɛ ɛnɛ w'ani akyerɛ w'ani ntɔm ɛkasa tia ɔpemsoɔ w'ani akyerɛ w'ani ntɔm ɛkyerɛ sɛ ampa wo wa build wo kingdom we crop kyerɛ sɛ wa build the kingdom na wɔka no indeed ɔwɔ adwene bɔne ɛwɔ asanteman ho wa build wo kingdom one wo build the kingdom no nyɛ kingdom ko ami da ba after kingdom no tiri wasa build wo military asa build wo police trimu pɔbɛ ne wom sɛ yɛ ɔman bi so atama wo ntumi ka ebi twa na so afiri ɔman mu asanteman ntamu ase na sɛ bi kafa me de ma no se me nuaba asɛm a meka ɛde ɛkyɛ da asante youth in asante region ne sɛ ɔmo sɔle wakantia tama wo ntumi ɔmo sɔle wakantia na yɛ NDC maburu sɛ mo sɔle wakantia tama wo ntumi nsɛm yɛ de di atam ɛne nyinti a wɔde ɛte ɔpem so na yɛ NDC maburu in asante region will stand up against tama wo ntumi adeɛ na wayɛ no because it is disrespectful to the Asante kingdom and we will not accept sanyoma we so say sebi kafa sikadwa yankasa ntia no yankasa ema ya no ntra
okay
se bibi se ekoso a me nuaba ayana politician nyina no ye die nyina ye gu ade ba ko mi ho so no obi na akɔwe ni moku eni ye nyina ye de ye ti woyi eti ade woyi a akoso atama wuntumi aye no asotwe bia esefata bia no asotwe esefata bia no yen fama no ena mesra MPP fo if they have good leadership wa yen twetama wontumi nsan because asana okaye no eye fi ena odi abegu asanteman na wo san twadwan enfam pata
say of course 38 minutes after 7 a.m. the next 10 minutes is for you Jimmy. What chance
Diane, mama Sanda was beam. Interim me communication. Honestly speaking, many armchair communicator. Mr. Retrieve, me background and meeting research and my better videos now. Make a dempe. As my air come, routine command me, I may say, be a wit me ready to go to the internet and go $1 million per constituency. And the $1 million per constituency be some kind one tier when you didn't know and ye government specific needs and then constituency prioritized needs.
Okay.
Out of the $1 million, you were near a a demand constituency now say maybe out of the $1 million maybe we diama 275. What I say? And the constituency nankasa wo on needs. It's the needs na got esa.
I will just
buy a constituency 25 communities. And some of the communities decided say omo issues about drainage. Unse krodada no no nsu to a na erosion no eyi dan na se. Nti be drains my. Nti upon the request any assembly members this year opinion leaders this year say community we be ka say o sika na buy true buy na yes meeting.
Oh okay.
What I say community assembly members say me drains nsu say adan work community nti mo be drains my say be ya nsu benya a path said by ends until leadership near member on Tiasia. Again, we put you out a statement to be. We see 8 years I demand NDC. Oh, on my previous administration we want to commission one hospital. Not even one say you want to commission. And then you have the moral justification because say Central Market na ECC wana ya bosom. Muna mobe set agenda say enko complete. Ya magana fu nyina ntiase. Ya tikruma. Se bi enko ba bia wo. Na wote kokoso. E ka che mampini John Dramani Mahama say. An go good na e wo boasen no. Egu. An go good e wo boasen egu. Nti John Mahama enhwe na on revival an go good. But you dey na Ira John Mahama ye fam. Sebu senka o ebu sonko de ma e de ma santeman no te kokoso ne asanteman nyina entirely nanka o te kokko so ka se John Mahama nkoye angbogodu nanka be kokoye ene wan na koye angbogodu ama ene day and night 24 hour obwasefo nya be di omu ye adwuma e o mampani Akufo-Addo ebi hospital maternity unit e konfa noche na see for how many years over 47 years Rollins ebetoye
okay
Atanos ebetoye John Mahama yes Akufo-Addo ebetoye it has taken omampani na adudanko Akufo-Addo to address the issue and mapa wa mo da fon konfa noche aye put up that structure over there it was say e ya wono sami je file be set agenda and I say ya mo NBC for na mo ba be ka say sa project yen koye mo ba bo mu NBC 1 NBC 2 NBC 3 e mo dia wo yin yetumi nya ani akore that project na e ma pa wo e da fon yen ti ko man say no man pay kufo e di free maternal care ba say e man kwa won ko free mo ba ya mo twemu catch say mo de one time premium but it was a scam now me dey ma miss no good ya magana fu nyira ti ase say ene baby ya baba bidu no Kumasi airport international airport no ene dia mo no kase am pany Akufo-Addo da Roma ye hunu the status of international airport e Kurman say ye hwe Kurman say akwan won sensem Kurman wood TV station here we hey anima ya utisi forma unan baby e bidi kan si after the staircase asphalt Mampani Akufo-Addo is na yama Ghana for nyina ati ase okay relatively to issue about your vetting once and some
okay
the first say a miscommunication
on
yes
part
miscommunication on the part of I say na ye mensia south team pa obi a uti afije ni team ye na ye mensia south MP na eba vetting tesimi ye pa enye any other MP na ye a member of parliament you run napo vetting from the mensia south eni nyina so nim say mensia e follow under the mensia south constituency
sure
enti ene ye hwe issue ekoso wo adanse asokwa you are Katie Hammond edelete akoma the appeals committee say enipa na ejina no yen disqualify enipa miensa na e ka no ho no mo kwa stand there automatically ubia a pulling strengths to make sure say the candidate burden e be sell through the vetting so e do contest say ya ubia nya ya nka ono ko ono post say na be ya say the candidate e ko ono post dia na ku chop enya fe na ye ko bra ko e campaign ko tete sika bia na ndi pana fam no otumi akọ ena ye nyina enim say sebuta fracture and one of the possible running mates se base Yuru Mahmoud Baumia Budinya obetimi abobi eye the MP for Mensia South Yuru Matthew Poku Prempe enti executives ni na so hwe animu se nka vet na okoye no anka ibetimi akansem bia fa no ho a ebe boa even that ambition no ama na tumi aye den successful they make what you say enti ensem bia na nka executives ni so hwe animu se ombetimi ate free vetting panel one ebi o man tisansem no na ekwan bi nso no ohwe the chairman asemo to dwana ebia west a wo use yen na when use west na yi because ukasa kingdom a obi enim say there's only one kingdom exactly until make us say beautiful fast me am MPP no unse aso na make am and you say bia we are addressing the issues squarely as it is ukasa kingdom dia your kingdom back up e was Santememu ha until make us say west now we use yen
was chosen wrongly
we say ono no betimi aka say we say ka MPP asem wo Asante Mantema said dia on the chairman of MPP in Asante region but in choosing his words when to suit the right word and until ama and the no issue na could do baby ayede edru
say ya tun safre general secretary
yes
Obanso Fanembra
I think it was even before I was Adeno
oh okay
it was even before the Adeno omotono the update on the issue, but when you say the notice came before the Ade, the first Ade Akweside ADM. Into the catcher sentiment and say, some you frustrated. You are into me a nipa. Or any passable nipa de obey me, I am from so. But the Kenyan answer, and yes, you or ye not been say, or Casabi, Tia or Teco. Send a make us say. Ono na bia na west na we choose here na we choose ni betin ka ye kase MPP na Ashanti region dia aka wona ye pani ase biu oda no an sese ni bibia so so den esi ni na so be sa word na choose here dey we choose ni yi and deliberately ipa de once and for so we hono obia so bitima den ayen for so ndi de ka kira santeman MPP aman ku ni bia wo oman mu han say anye sese biu tafache woye na dwen se wo kaseti amenhia anasa wote kokoso but ebia na na dwen mu no or making reference to the MPP in Ashanti region ono eye chairman dan no na sa word no choose ye no and want to choose the right word enti ye kenyina ne se wo mu ase biu asa no mote ya ntwe ye nya no ye pacho menim se at the end of the day kopie mu amenhia so a chelpa ontu ko defend this asem we in any way was a chelpa no de ye den o de ko se nana wakola ana se o somfo mano na ye den e pa ye man kan ye misro ye den fa cheme na ye ka die seat no ye magana fo nyina no bibia nyanti ase se yen in the new patriotic party within the Ashanti region egumu a ye tumi bi egu akwan mu and all the senior high schools in this region uko honoma ubi senior pinpoint infrastructure development apan we aye ene uko kwada so a the creative arts senior high school the whole of Africa ibili baby ha say yes suapon and I say ntoaso sukuu a especially for creative arts ibili baby ha and then ebiem one for we ntwam biem na me kan no ma NDP at the room yetimi akofa dia ba say bio NDC 1 NDC 2 NDC 3 omuntumi for meeting to simwe so kran nangwe ho unim say o fucking dentomana it's an international cloth. Any kente cloth to be is an international cloth. I know the Black Stars. Afcon kwa omukoya. Place ni on such an international platform no. Na players no be extra kente cloth. But NBC 1, NBC 2 into the one say yen for museum, yen for kente museum ponya dey massive. Because at the end of the day, I know your achievement. At the end of the day, I know your achievement. At the end of the day, it has taken only achievement has taken only the MPP administration. And yet we put you up a museum and then abofo ifia manone omanfo ifia bibi mama hu do sinna eba Ghana say e kente cloth no mo do moni ba behwe no omo de bubu nwira omo baby omo ye den omo kwa omo do na kente we say ona kente bi ye den egbu ase this is an achievement ye be bo MPP amako no abaso ewo ho bibi si da MPP amako all
right. My time was to make a calls, of course, 0202668461, 0202668461. So the MPP man justify the wound to me action, strange things ahead. So he should bow his head down. MPP never again. I have a call on the line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay. Hello. Hello, good morning. Oh, so sorry when see me engine so Kelly says that I am good morning. Oh no, I will not read this message. I tell you, I will not read it. Why? Kelly, please. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my friend. And I want to say Nyakopa dum ni mawoko.
Ni monko ya my light of cloud. My team is here na so na me dey to hona. Minti de muka empo. Ka ya dey wa samuka. MPP ni say black cash share campaign omudu ko na ekosi so. Omo share campaign ni omudu kan for ma share.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing. Almost shame no question. Are there people? Are they? Abramu, throw to yes, Ramu. Chama won't be a pouch. Yes, grow. Also, Waka thing. Only the man who know, as I see dear, share. The cool one when Diablo on Pesa Colan and come taking on our power president. Into Casawan, yeah, Castay, because Papa no dear, no dear, can be than one or the two. Into Casana Cassia, I will back to Papa. A coming Papa, common to me, with a master rabbi.
Meso Medase, of course, Fatty, all the way from Nima. Also, to your friend, 9 more minutes for me to go. 0502 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Good morning.
If I said to say,
Yakupandum now, sway.
I told you, Uncle Father. But I'm sure, as someone walking, hello, CBC, I can. And penny for hello,
Patro meets you.
The patron penny for will be fair. Sabanyan Senica smite in the Bapas Yamo. And in the set year, Muntinia Cano, some facing for the jump, no more coming, no more yes, and the crowd of the suffering in the one I said, it's yes, some other, and people full, and this full, and he's full. I'm waiting to the war country way, but penny by Senica to the Bapas tomorrow, kind of said the movie and after. Now, what to make you a win after? Now, this is so many soon played, and these are not supplying. All my support well, yeah. As I say, we said, well, my dear, my back for years, all my 10 years, all my forever. It's a miles to
Alright, also wait to me after 7 more minutes for me to go. 52 after 7 0202668461. Yesterday about UD4. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, good morning. Okay. Friend me me power show eya team tune uti no echo for mama. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. I'm going to go.
Nyakopo adom pa show me ho ye now so e.
Alright, ya do mo contribution ka kwa ya gana tangana e mamu.
Me pa show you mira mo anonko.
Na ai me ta se ka samu ka kra be chere English so se ọmọ pẹ̀sọ́ mi ní àbáná ẹ̀mọ́ ọmọ ìtúrásì gẹ́tìláńdà ọmọ sọ́rin jìnnà. Àwọn ọ̀wọ́lọ́ sọ́rin sùn mọ̀ na normal air pọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀mpẹ̀lẹ̀tì sọ́rin jìnnà. Nígbà NPP ṣe jẹ́ ọ̀pá jìnnà sẹ́ ọmọ òbí jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ. Ọmọ ìlú sọ mi jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ tààtà ẹni ìgbàkúrẹ́ tó wọ̀ ẹni ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mpẹ̀lẹ̀tì sọ́rẹ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ ọmọ ti bá sùn mi lọ sọ ọmọ ìsọ̀rí ẹ̀ jìnnà. And you not couple underground. I'm more sure on the maybe
Everybody Osha one so 0202668461. Absolutely. 6 more minutes for me to go. So call me na yonko. Hello, good morning. Hello? Okay. Hello, good morning. Me bacho nyame adoma onesto kakra fama me mira yeti
azambe paase asante man
pacho yo mira pacho me yeti o
pacho ya umete tamani onge yenya ne kitene na kate kukoso na dana hano Wintu dia mesti ya kasus mukona na di ontan hasan. Itu na daurama. Mana tone.
Okay.
So onjana mukazai na de endeki. Obian tuwa bamama.
Yeah, say akasime num pepepe na me sorry akọ teacher kojo tepa ono so de dia ba Says Mahama NDC agenda has already actually failed. Bawumia is a huge problem for Mahama NDC. Mahama knows deep in his heart, and it is clear to all NDC followers that Dr. Bawumia is a preferred candidate to both northern and southern Ghanaians. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay.
na mama meka se se ma wontu me kasa kasa bi keke and I am from papa ni mi da nye ne bi hu even MP those within the MPP in Ashanti region we say onu na say MPP party no over go from year previous a year up to this it's a okay wontu me no musika ni gayo on kasa fu officer is musikanti tumesi obi aso wa wakika de wakika kubru media oyakora unie on to me enti woki it makes lena na something ani asanti mai ese one is misela one fan the money channel one in to can be one in shit no chere kasa say be gemwa o kasa say o kasa change this for video na temuno na dey say this for no kasa This is $1 million per dollar now. You can watch them. Many you all let's say I get called this $1 million. I wish you 8 years in me. Do more when you be. Okay, say you go to say you can't call you. Say you get you percent people in the point say again we west for one constituency for one party constituency. You got your mom. Again you sir. I don't kasa bi ya catcher yen we share more from my language kasa bi can catcher yen okay so anansi na woni ba woni ya promises no woni kasi o ka ba ma ya be che na mo wa to na promise na ma mo nchi na ma mo e bi ko ba kuma se ya ga to be ba e bi ska ya we airport ba take kush sa me ma nyama ni ya e and you know you have to actually on the ground. But that's the thing with the mechanical. Mommy, ALS, I walk up to hospital.
Oh, so sorry. You call me when I bring me for call baby. Jimmy, you call.
You did you made in baby and yes, a Ghana phone and say, Sebio, I'm a moon, you go so a 2020 Ghana for share and Munyam at Wabamaye. And feel 9 and a Ghana for the Maye, Yakamumi and son. The Ghana for a fear you woman ya a yaba to a fee. You won't put to Juma be honum so I be Sunday about Ghana for him.
All right.
Send him Dick and Kayano. On the record, 37 hospital projects within the Ashanti region.
Okay.
And then the Aminoka say complete hospitals are young Kasaya Shasi.
Okay.
Work from a Peniku for the Breswa ya complete. Uko Sabronuma ibi ho, uko Swamia ibi ho, uko Manson Kwanta ibi ho. All these Bamed hospital projects are complete. In addition to that, 19 agenda 11 hospitals and then the Aminoka say most of them has been roofed up. Gradually, you be finish a commission. Ama your nurses and your doctors or mutifio munya juma.
Okay.
Almost munya baby akwa juma.
Thank you.
Miniaba.
John.
Yeah, code.
Nam so my one hospital commission 8 years.
Miniaba. Yeah, kono. Besra Ghana for ni asante man. Say John Mahama has come to stay with the 24-hour economy.
24-hour economy. Okay.
It's a great, fantastic policy.
Okay.
John Mahama edeba. Na miniaba. Uni maybe. Mesra asante man. Prior to 2020 election, John Mahama, His Excellency, echo what opim so hono. Opim so ka sembe. Asemo opim so ka ye no. Ena mesra asante man. Say yemfa asemo no. Emfa nko na 2024 yenko janso fanto aba. Wo say
okay.
John Mahama kona ko ka wuma pa. Ubayi be yo man panyin waye de. Woye.
Okay.
Okakejetia market.
Okay.
Asawase market.
Okay.
Tafung market.
Okay.
Atosu market.
Yeah.
Kepa hospital.
Yeah.
The Koowaa hospital.
Okay.
Schools Adobe Ura. Adujama. Akekenzema. These are the project, fantastic project, and the Ukwas and Temantemuasa and the Yewa Jondraman Mahama. Yehuye. It's we end up him so say, young Corny Koka, Nemo, and yet say you basi toilet at the Amamo. Nemo, a Juma, Medan if at the pa, a Beba Magana baboon, and Yaso for so only the 24-hour economy. It's Brayeko, yes, Remo. We are babuna to anamuye na NDC here vote. We are mammy so to anamuye na NDC here vote. All right. In the 7th.
Thank you so very much, of course, John Abambila. My first time meeting him, and he's so fantastic, of course. Ashanti Radio Communication Team member for the NDC, and of course, my beloved darling, of course, Jimmy Boachansa, and also so Ashanti Radio Communication Team member for the MPP, and a production crew for the show, executive producer for the show. Ura Samda, who is my director, CEO himself, my producer, Jake, the adorable, no, and Okunchen Semgun Krata Soma, me the Betsnaha, Sasso, and I'm a director for this morning, Kobe, say Kobe, Faisal, any Nimia, Ima, Womo, and a bomber chidom, or MCR, and my show a brew. As now come out with D4, a view for by Samson, Quequia, Wasanso, and a Dorifa Vigo platform, so you better one more as Midi, Eddie Diane, a do hene, Jemfi Quat and Akosia. I don't do much now, Ibisha, but about 1 p.m. Esham was 104.1 Maso Quansi Jimenez, Ebes Samoya Cram.